Look at that beauty. So creamy, so cheesy, absolutely bellissima, delicious. Today we're making a creamy, dreamy one-pot tortellini soup with a crispy, garlicky parmesan bread. You won't believe how easy and delicious this is. Trust me, you're gonna want to grab a spoon and a slice of bread to soak up every last drop. All right, first things first, grab your sun-dried tomatoes and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Oh, and don't toss that oil. We're saving it for later. Flavor hack right there. Now take your fresh tomatoes, slice off the tops, and core out the stems. These guys are about to get extra rich and saucy. Time to get that garlic party started. Pour in your sun-dried tomato oil, set your heat to medium-low, and arrange those tomatoes face down. Then in the center, drop in 1 to 2 whole heads of garlic. Yes, whole. More garlic, more flavor. Cover that up and let it cook for 30 minutes until those tomatoes are soft enough to melt in your mouth. While that magic is happening, let's talk about garlic bread, because let's be real, what's an Italian meal without it? Slice up an Italian loaf 1 inch thick and cut those slices in half. Lay them out on a parchment-lined pan. Now for the buttery, cheesy goodness. In a microwave-safe bowl, mix together your garlic, butter, and Panacheeza. Pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, then brush it onto each slice like you're painting a masterpiece. Set your oven to broil, but don't pop them in yet. We'll come back to these in a sec. Oh, look at that. Those tomatoes are perfectly soft. Grab your tongs, peel off the skins, and toss them. Now it's time to turn this into the ultimate creamy soup. Add in your tomato paste and broth. I love using Zoop, and blend it all up with a hand mixer until smooth and velvety. Then pour in your vegan cream. I used Silk half and half. Bring it to a simmer and hit it with Italian seasonings for that extra depth of flavor. Now the moment we've been waiting for. Tortellini time. Toss in your Kite Hill tortellini and those delicious sun-dried tomatoes. Let that simmer for 5 to 7 minutes while we finish up the bread. Pop your garlic bread in the oven and watch it closely. Broiling goes fast. You want them golden, crispy, and ready for dipping. Once they're perfect, pull them out, sprinkle with fresh parsley, and wrap them in a basket to keep them warm. Last step, turn off the heat and add in fresh spinach. Let it wilt into the soup naturally. Then for an extra kick of zingy flavor, drizzle in a little bit of that reserved sun-dried tomato oil. And there you have it. The ultimate cozy, creamy, plant-based Italian meal. All the macros, all the comfort, all the nostalgia, with absolutely no animal products. Now grab a bowl, get that garlic bread ready, and enjoy. Just like Nonna used to make, but totally plant-based. Buon appetito. Look at that beauty. All right, let's try this. So creamy, so cheesy, absolutely bellissima, delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this.